Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Days after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu mentioned in passing the fact that nobody has the right to tell anybody in Nigeria that he cannot live in certain parts of the country, the president and his government are yet to tell Nigerians whether they have arrested anybody among those behind the campaign under the hashtag IgboMustGo. Nobody has yet been arrested. Even further than that, the governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, had earlier dissociated Lagos State government from that campaign and ordered the police to crack down on those behind it. Days after he said that, how many people have been arrested? Have they disappeared into thin air? That hashtag, if you type it, you can still get it. Stay there. So who are these people? Have they just disappeared into thin air? That even our usually digitally savvy people in DSS, in the EFCC, and what have you, they could not be able to locate the digital footprints of those behind it. My take on this matter is that the attitude of the government towards things like this is why this country is as divided as it is today. My hunch is telling me that this government will not do anything about it. They will allow it to fade away because Nigerians have short memory. They want it to fade away. But it is not going to fade away without them doing something about it. Because these people that are promoting this are the same people that were warning about Igbos' participation in the election process in Lagos. Don't forget that even Bayo Onanuga, the special advisor to the president on information and strategy, had warned the Igbos that 2023 was the last time they should interfere in Lagos election. That they don't dare do that again in 2027. I don't know the state of origin of Bayo Onanuga, but I doubt if he was born when Zeke was elected to the Lagos Council in 1946. That's the least I can say about Lagos and Igbo contribution. I don't know whether he was born when Sir Louis Ojukwu, the first billionaire in pound sterling in Nigeria, was the first president of the Nigerian Stock Exchange there in Lagos. But in 2024, Tinubu supporters led by Bayo Onanuga were threatening in 2024. That was in 2023. We are threatening that will be the last time Igbo should interfere in the election of Lagos State, in a state where they reside and pay tax. It can only happen in Nigeria. And in 2024, they upped the ante by saying that Igbos must be forcefully relocated from the southwest and Lagos. And the government is playing with it and has not done anything to show evidence that they are serious about taking care of those who did these things, to hold them accountable. In fact, despite the fact that Bayo Onanuga said what he said, it didn't stop President Tinubu in appointing him to the present position he's holding, which is almost a position that is equivalent to a ministerial position. In other words, Tinubu sanctioned what he said in 2023 about the Igbos. Don't forget that what Bayo Onanuga said led to a petition against him at the ICC in The Hague. But the government doesn't seem to realize that there are consequences for some of these things. Those who pretended not to hear, see no evil, hear no evil in Rwanda in 1994, those in leadership, journalists who were broadcasting, encouraging the slaughtering of the Tutsis, many of them are in prison today. Many of the political leadership, they are in prison today because of what they did and what they failed to do prior to the Rwanda genocide. And what is happening, all this anti-Igbo thing is, thank God, they cannot be able to erase everything. Their digital footprints are everywhere. There is a limit from what they can delete from the digital space. And there are some materials that are beyond their capacity technologically to wipe away. When the appropriate time comes, those who are encouraging genocide, those who are encouraging violence against other people, will have to face the result of their action, whether in government or out of government. Because at the end of the day, if those who are campaigning for forceful relocation of people, and those people they want to remove by force refuse to go, and they apply violence, the governmental authorities will also be held accountable for their inability to rein in these threats to national security, these threats to life and property. Because I do not understand why days after the president spoke, days after Governor Sanwo-Olu spoke, we have not seen them being paraded in court to have their day in court on why they should threaten a section of this country. Funny enough, these people are not concerned about the Chinese or other foreigners in Lagos or Southwest. That's not their business. So this is a classic case of ethnic betting. This is a classic case of how the Rwanda genocide started. These people need to be reined in as a deterrent to others, because if nothing is done to them, other people will still come up and do things like this. The reason, what gave these people the right, what gave them the impetus to do this, and they are hoping to get away with it, was because the northern youths who issued similar threat quit notice to Igbos in 2017 under Buhari. Nothing was done to them. If this is the kind of Nigeria they want, well, like the Holy Book said, or says, you reap what you sow in the end. Nigeria will reap what it is sowing in the end. That's my take on this matter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.